This call is now being recorded.
Hi students, uh, today we are going to discuss about the syllabus distribution or the new syllabus distributed by the CBSE for the session 2021-22. As I explained in the another video that this year the exam pattern is different from the previous years. This year there are the two exams, practicals and internal assessments. In the previous years there used to be only the practical and the final exams, but this year the exam there will be the internal assessments for the chapter wise tests, unit tests, and there also will be the uh, after means term one exam in the months of November and December, and there will be the final exams in the month of the March and April. For both the terms, the syllabus will be divided into the two terms: a 50% syllabus in second term and 50% syllabus in the first term. The slab means that in the second term, the syllabus of the first term will not be included. Means there will be the only second term, 50% syllabus in first term and 50% syllabus in the second term. Now, the apart from there, CBSE also has also have reduced the syllabus for the session 2021-22. So in this video, I will also explain that which syllabus is uh, uh, means which syllabus has been reduced and what is the distribution of the syllabus. So if you see in the first unit, this is the syllabus of the first unit. In the first unit, there is the first book, Fundamentals of the Human Geography. In this, the first, second, and third chapters are will be covered in the first uh, will be covered in the uh, first term exams, and after that the remaining syllabus will be covered into the second exams. So just a minute, just I'm showing you the screen. Okay, so in the first term, apart from that, some syllabus have been reduced from the first term of the first book. Uh, you see the second chapter in the left side. You see there's the in the second chapter there's the first chapter is population. It means second unit first chapter is population. Second is the population change, and third chapter is the human developments. But in the actual, there are the total four chapters, but one chapter have been reduced from this syllabus. And you see the left side, there is the one chapter population composition. This chapter have been removed from or deleted from your this year's syllabus. Means this chapter will not be included in your syllabus. Second book is the India population, India people and economy. In this from this chapter, this book, there will be the first, second, and the third chapters will be in the first term of the exams, and some syllabus is removed, also deleted from this book that I'm going to show you now. See, if you see the uh, if you see the first chapter, there is the population distribution and migration, and in actual there are the five chapters in this unit. So two chapters, human development and the population, environment and development, have been removed from this syllabus. So in the left side, these two chapters have been removed from your or deleted from this book. Now, if we see the second term syllabus, here then there is the practical work also. Practical work also. I will explain about that later. So this is the second term syllabus. Here is the second term syllabus. In this second term syllabus, if you see the from the first book, this first book, uh, the first chapter in the second term is the human activity. So this is the unit 3. Unit 3, in the unit 3 there are the total how many? 4 chapters are there. Out of them, 3 chapters are in your first term. So, sorry, means that this primary activity, this is in the first term, and remaining 3 chapters are in your second term. जो 3 chapters हैं बाकी के वो second term है. यूनिट 3 का फर्स्ट चैप्टर जो प्राइमरी एक्टिविटी जो वो फर्स्ट यूनिट में है, और रिमेनिंग 3 चैप्टर्स आपके सेकेंड टर्म के अंदर है. उसके अलावा ट्रांसपोर्ट एंड कम्युनिकेशन के अंदर से एक चैप्टर को रिमूव कर दिया है. ये टोटल यूनिट है ट्रांसपोर्ट, कम्युनिकेशन एंड ट्रेड. इसके अंदर से आपके जो ट्रेड वाला टॉपिक है, जो ट्रेड टॉपिक है, इसको कम्प्लीटली आपके सिलेबस से रिमूव कर दिया है. तो जो दिस इंटरनेशनल ट्रेड वाला जो चैप्टर है, इसको आपके सिलेबस में इस साल हटा दिया है. आफ्टर दैट देयर इज द one more chapter is there, human settlements, और one more unit 5, जो कि पूरी तरह से आपके सिलेबस से रिमूव कर दिया. that has been deleted from your syllabus. that this unit is not will not be covered in your exam this year. सेम सेकंड जो सेकंड बुक है हमारी, उसके अंदर से भी कुछ चैप्टर्स को रिमूव किया है. अगर उसके अंदर हम देखते हैं तो जो रिसोर्सेज एंड डेवलपमेंट वाली यूनिट है, यूनिट 8 रिसोर्सेज एंड डेवलपमेंट, इसके अंदर से आपका जो फर्स्ट चैप्टर है लैंड रिसोर्सेज, इट हैज़ बिन रिमूव और इट हैज़ बिन डिलीटेड फ्रॉम योर सिलेबस. उसके अलावा जो लास्ट चैप्टर, जो एक और चैप्टर है इंडस्ट्रीज वाला चैप्टर्स, इसको भी आपके सिलेबस से हटा दिया गया है, डिलीट कर दिया गया है इस सेशन के लिए. तो इसके अंदर से 2 चैप्टर्स आपको डिलीट कर दिए हैं. उसके बाद में जो लास्ट यूनिट, उसके बाद की जो नेक्स्ट यूनिट ट्रांसपोर्ट, कम्युनिकेशन एंड इंटरनेशनल ट्रेड, इसके अंदर से भी जो इंटरनेशनल ट्रेड है, इंटरनेशनल ट्रेड वाला जो चैप्टर्स हैं, उसको वो आपके सिलेबस में नहीं आएगा. आफ्टर दैट देयर इज द लास्ट यूनिट 10, जियोग्राफिकल पर्सपेक्टिव्स ऑन द सिलेक्टेड इश्यूज एंड, और ये कंप्लीट चैप्टर्स आपके सेकंड टर्म में आएगा. जो फर्स्ट टर्म का एग्जाम्स का पैटर्न होगा वह कंप्लीटली एमसीक्यू टाइप होगा. सेकंड टर्म का जो एग्जाम्स होगा वह मिक्स्ड क्वेश्चंस टाइप पेपर पैटर्न होगा. So thank you, and please once go through the syllabus properly and prepare for your exams accordingly.